Bridget Bartlett here with Vision Marketing and Design, and today we are live inside of our team training where we are live Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So today what I'm going to show you how to do is quickly and easily build an e-commerce store inside of Ecwid, and we're going to embed it into HighLevel. So you can see what you're looking at right now is Ecwid, the actual dashboard that is embedded into my HighLevel account. That's really easy to do. If you're a HighLevel agency owner, all you need to do is go into your agency account and then go down to settings and then create a custom link, okay? And then add your Ecwid there. Now, I did do a training video yesterday on Ecwid and why I love it, how you can resell it, you can white label it, or you can be an affiliate like myself. And, lots of opportunities when you are, whether it's a standalone e-commerce business or if you want to integrate it with HighLevel, okay? So, the very first thing, first of all, before I even get into the training, if you are not a member yet, you can go to bridgetbartlett.com. You can join my Vision agency as a sub account within my HighLevel account, or you can create your own HighLevel account and you can actually load all of our resources into your own account. Okay. You can also, if you're a member, you can create your own Ecwid store, or you can, if you're not even a member, you can create your own by going to bridgetbartlett.com. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is actually just create some categories. Okay, so one of the cool things, about Ecwid and when you're building an e-commerce store, you're going to have lots of different categories. If you're selling digital products, maybe you want to have like ebooks and then video courses, or maybe if you're selling physical products, maybe you want to have, t-shirts, or maybe women's t-shirts and men's t-shirts and children's t-shirts and so on, right? So let's just go ahead and create a couple categories here. So we're going to say root category, and I will say, let's see, website. Or actually, just to keep this simple, let's say category 1. Okay. And I probably spelled category wrong because, I'm a horrible speller and I rely on spell check. I think they made it just for me. Okay, so I'm going to save that now, and you can see now I have an additional category. Now I can create a subcategory, okay? So maybe if this category was t-shirts and I wanted like women's t-shirts and then men's t-shirts and so on, I could create a subcategory, but I'm actually just going to create another root category. So let's just say category 2, okay? So now we actually have 2 different categories. All right. So now let's go to our products. And I've deleted all the sample products that they give you when you create your account, just to make it simple. Because sometimes I think when you have, too many things going on, it's hard to like really keep track of what you're doing. Okay. I do want to say hello to McCall and Maria, who are watching on YouTube. Hello. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create our first product, and I'm going to just upload an image here. I actually have some sample images. Now, I'm not going to actually create a store with you guys, but you can see here, I just created sample images from Canva, so really simple to do. When you're looking at the size, I like about 600 by 600, but it will actually take on whatever size you load in here. So you can really design some really cool things in Canva. And let's just say this is item 1. Okay, so we have item 1. We can add our SKU here. If this is a digital product, we can just uncheck this box here to require shipping or pickup. We can add a description here if we want to. We'll just say this is a cool product. Okay. And of course, we can name our price, like maybe we'll just say it's $5. And we can enable product availability, or we can disable it and manage our stock control here. We can say it's unlimited. We can assign categories to this product. So maybe we want it to be category 1, and we can also feature it on the front page. We can add or edit ribbons, add a product subtitle if we want to. But just to make this simple, let's just go ahead and save what we've done so far. We can also add attributes like UPC and then the brand name as well. We can add variations here. So if we're doing like t-shirts, maybe we wanted to do like, extra large, medium, small. before I go too deep into this, I know that I'm like breezing through this quickly because I don't want to keep you all here too long today. But if you need any help at all, you can see the get help, and there's live chat here. There's lots of support articles and videos to help you with building the store. Okay. You also have the file section here. So if you're selling digital products, you can actually just upload the file here and it will deliver the product. Super cool. You also have the shipping and pickup here if you are shipping physical products. You can also disable for digital products. You also have your SEO here. So if you want to make sure, when and this says right here, this is what it looks like on Google. So you want to make sure, your SEO is up to par. You can also add related products, which is really good for upsells. Maybe, if someone is interested in category 1, the chances are that they would maybe like category 4. Maybe you want to relate that, or different, products that are relative to that. Okay, you see that on Amazon all the time. And then you also have the buy now button. Okay, so what's really cool, I'm going to show you how to embed your whole store into HighLevel, but or any other website builder. But you could actually enable the product here, or rather embed the product as well. So maybe you're selling, you have a landing page where you just have one product that you want to highlight. You can embed that one product as well. Okay, so when you get all of this set up, you wanted to save it, and now you'll see we have our one product, and we can enable that once we're ready to go. Okay, so let's just breeze through here, and let's actually just add a couple more products real quickly. So we'll just add this one here, and we'll say item 2, and we could add our SKU if we wanted to. We're going to say not digital product. This is a cool item. Okay, and then we're going to make it $5, and we are going to make it unlimited there, and let's assign it to category 1, and let's go ahead and save. Okay, now we don't need to add anything else here really, but we can go back. Now, that was a really quick process, right? But we could actually make it much faster by just duplicating the product here. Okay, so maybe we just duplicated. Now we want this to be 3. Now I want to change this image. I'm going to go here and change it to this one here. And we can just delete this image here. And that is product 3. We could add this to 3 and change that. And then we will click save. Okay. So now we've added 3 products here. We've enabled them, and they're in the one category. So let's go ahead. We're going to add just a couple more products because I want you to see, what the actual store looks like. Just having like a couple products, you don't really get a good viewpoint. So we'll say item 4. Okay, and this is cool, and we could have totally just duplicated as well. Let's make it $5, and we can make this okay, add the category. Let's add this to category 2. Okay, so let's go back here now, and let's just duplicate this one. So duplicate product, and let's go ahead and drag in another file. So we'll choose 5. And of course, let's delete this. And we're going to call this item 5. Let's change, okay, the SKU is 5. Let's uncheck this box. And we have category 2. And we're going to go ahead and save. Okay, so we got one more we'll go ahead and do. That way you can see the cool store. So we're going to duplicate product. Let's go ahead and just delete this. Let's drag our 6th image here. And there we go. And let's make this 6. And okay, and category 2, and let's save. Okay, so now we have 6 products here. Okay, 2 categories, 6 products. Now, if we go to our website here, you'll see that you can actually create a website. We'll talk more about that tomorrow, the website editor and how you can do all of that. But if you want to embed this into your HighLevel account, what you want to do is go to add, or actually, I can just show you here if I click here. Oops. Okay. So this is just a sample website I'm working on, but and actually I don't see my store. Yeah, I don't think it's live there. So let's go ahead, and we're going to pick a platform, and let's go ahead and choose the custom website, and we just want to grab the code here. Okay. So we grab the code, we can copy the code, and we want to go to our HighLevel builder. So inside of whether you're choosing websites or funnels, You just want to go into the builder and you can click edit in a new tab. McCall is saying, is it possible for items to be imported over Etsy or Shopify? You can import products if you go to, let's see here, where is my products? You can see import or export. So if I click import all products, you can see the options here. So CSV, Xcart, and light e-commerce are the direct imports. Okay, so we are adding an element here, and we are going to custom HTML. We want to edit this, and then we're going to paste here. Now, if you click save, you'll see that it says something is wrong, okay? And I just want to say shout out to Jace Nelson, who helped me with this. All you have to do, I struggled with this, and he said, man, I did too. So this is why it's great to network with people. All you need to do is delete that, this little, you know, the arrows here and then the div. Just delete the one at the end and the beginning, okay? And then click save and yes, okay? And now if you actually click here to enable this, you'll see that I have my categories. So let's go ahead and save. And let's preview this. Okay, so we have category 1, and you see our products there. How beautiful. If we click on a product, now we see, you know, our image. We can add this to the cart. You know, not all of this is live yet, but you can see how super cool. You have the account here, and it looks really good as you scroll through here. That's the thing that I like the most, how good it looks. It doesn't really look janky or anything. You can connect your different payment gateways. When you connect PayPal, it has PayPal credit. So super cool. Okay, I can go back to my store now. If I choose category 2, you see all of these items as well. Okay. Super awesome, super, super easy to create, you guys. I'm super excited about this. Just keep in mind that anything that you want to do with your store, that you are customizing and all of that inside of Ecwid, okay? Because everything inside of this element needs to be customized inside of Ecwid. You can't really do that here, okay? So thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm going to show you all about the Ecwid website builder tomorrow and how you can actually just use that without embedding or anything to create your website if you prefer. All right, my job is to show you the options and empower you to decide. One more thing that I did want to tell you guys, if you go to bridgetbartlett.com, you'll see in the top right hand corner that Monday through Thursday I am here for open office hours. So you can actually just click the button here. Let me actually just show you. You just click this button here and then you'll go right into the Zoom room. This is in place of like discovery calls, or if you guys are a member and you're struggling with something, I am available between 2:30 and 3. This is something I'm just trying out to see how it goes. And then if it goes well, maybe we'll extend that, or, you know, maybe, you know, extend it in some way, right? So anyway, bridgetbartlett.com. If you guys want to go there and chat with me, I will see you in just a few minutes. Anyway, thank you all for joining me. Go make your vision a reality.